Hello students, I am Mrs. Shabnur Nawaz from Holy Hearts Educational Academy, Raipur, Chhattisgarh. And today I am here to take the classes of class 12 students, and the topic, as we have previously covered the networking topics, few topics are left that will start today. So let's start.
Students, here we'll be seeing the topic web scriptings. In web scripting, first we should know that what is actually script. Here a script is a list of command embedded in a web page. Scripts are interpreted and executed by a certain programs or a scripting engines, we can say. So the process of creating and embedding the scripts in a web page is called web scripting in very much simple language, if we say. In simple language, script is a computer script. It is a list of a command that is embedded in a web page, and the process of creating and embedding the scripts in a web page is known as web scripting. The programming languages in which the scripts are written are called as scripting languages. There are many scripting languages available today, like VB-script, JavaScript, ASP, PHP, JSP, Perl, and many more things. So web scripting here helps us to create dynamic web pages with interactive contents, and there are variously two types of scriptings: client-side scripting and server-side scripting. The client-side scripting, these scripts are the parts of the web pages are executed on the local computer after you have loaded the web page, and the dynamic contents can be added to the web pages using scriptings. So a script consists of a set of instructions that is executed under certain conditions, we can say. So web scripting uses small programs that are executed based on the user interactions with the web page. So web scripts can run in basically two places: the client side, which is also called as front end, and the server side, which is also called as back end. So the client refers to the web browser used to view a web page, and the server refers to the computer server that hosts the websites. So there are basically two types of scripting, as I have previously mentioned: client side and the server side. So scripting languages are JavaScript, VB-script, PHP, Perl, ASP, JSP, and many more, and which can either run on the client web browser or the server web server. So the one that runs on the web browser is the client-side scripting, and the one that runs on the web server is the server-side scripting. Here is the client-side scripting. In the client-side scripting, we can see here whatever data we pass on as a client with the help of our PC, with the help of our web browser, all the things is done in the client end. There is nothing work done in the server end. We can see here in the diagram, client is the first point and web server is the second point. When the client sends the request to the web server responds back to the client, and further all the third, fourth, and the fifth point is done in the client end, that is in the web browser. So all the work here is done at the client end. So here this is the client side scripting, where nothing is done in the web server part. Next is server side scripting. Here in server side scripting, we can say, as by the name itself, it is very much clear, server side. So all the things, all the basic conversions or whatever task is to be performed is done at the web server part. So when the client takes the request to the web server, all the other all the other operations are done on the server end. So the script pages is then further move on to the script interpreter, and then the HTML page is sent back to the client as a response from the web server. So all the task is done at the web server end. There are various languages which comes under the category of client-side scripting and the server-side scripting. So in the client-side scripting, we can say VB-script, JavaScript, PHP. These come under the web client-side scripting. Similarly, in the server-side scripting, PHP, ASP.NET, Perl, Python, Ruby. These all things comes under the server-side scriptings. So students, this was the basic web scriptings and the further types of scriptings. On the basis of that, here is the assignment. You have to prepare short notes on web scripting and its types, which you have to do it in your CS notes copies.
Students, we have seen few topics of networking, and so I hope you all understood very well. Go through the video, listen it carefully, go through the contents and follow the instructions given and complete the assignments in your computer notes copies. By that time, stay safe, stay at home. Thank you.